Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. As you may know, we recently published a new book called Grammar Nonsense and What to Do About It. And this was a bit of a first for us because as well as publishing the paper book, we also managed to get an e-version of the book done. A friend of mine in Russia was looking long and hard to try to find the e-version, and she'd tried a lot of the sites that I'd recommended like Amazon, but to no avail. Eventually she emailed me saying that she'd managed to find a copy of the book on Google Play. I was very pleased to hear this, so I emailed the publisher at Ways Goose Press telling her that in Russia Google Play seems to come up trumps. If you say that something or someone comes up trumps, you mean that they produce good results, they do something successfully, especially when you're not necessarily expecting it. So maybe you're going on holiday and you have a last minute panic because you still haven't sorted out a place to stay. But then a friend of yours comes up trumps and manages to find somewhere for you to stay. In a football match, a player may come up trumps by scoring the winning goal late in the game. And maybe when you're searching for something and you look at loads and loads of different sites and you're getting very frustrated, finally one particular site may come up trumps and give you what you're looking for. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you think you might use come up trumps.